What's up, guys? This is us gaming. Do you guys recognize this video? You guys recognize this game? No, Kara, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to them. Okay, Kara. You can be in the video, but just don't yell, okay? You can talk. You can talk. You can talk, but you can't be like, ah, or anything, okay? Do you guys recognize this game? Also, I said we're gonna record for a while, but since the garage sale is gonna be in a few weeks, I will record, okay? Guys, but do you guys recognize this game? I think I did this a few months, actually, a year ago? I think it was a year ago, or 11 months ago. I don't remember. I don't know. Maybe a year ago. But today we're going to be playing some more Crazy Apocalypse 2 with my niece. Are you ready? You ready? Are you sure you're ready? Yeah. Are you really ready? Okay. I got some headphones and the... Wow, Kara likes being on the camera. But she doesn't really come often because she's always playing with her toys, right? Let me show you a little bit. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Do you want to be... Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, that is pretty loud. Gosh. Woo! Now, I'm not... Oh my gosh, it's gonna be laggy. Lagging. No, it lagged. Yeah, you remember this video? You remember this video, Kara? Remember this game? You don't remember? We played it before. But we weren't on camera. Also, this is not the only game we're playing. We're playing other games, too. We're just playing a little bit of this. It's pretty laggy, so do you think... Let's not play this. Let's find another game. Alright, I found another game. Waiting room, I guess. Okay. Alright. You ready?
No.
You don't want to play?
No. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Alright. Have fun. She's just being a brat right now. You always are. Yeah, you cried because you wanted McDonald's today. You cried because you kept crying on the floor today because you didn't get McDonald's. What is this game? Alright, so we're basically telling people to go to heaven or down there. Alright. I don't want to be dead. Can I go home? Yes, you can. Recycle drug addict. Recycle. I think you're gonna have to go here. He's been honest. You've been good. I guess we're playing this game. Hey, this place is cool. Yeah, you look mad. Courteous held doors open. I think you go here? I don't know if I'm right. Yeah, I'm right. Okay. Because it says there's more people go to the good place. Whoa, is this the afterlife? Am I really dead? Sorry, bud. This is kind of deep. Why are you mad? So, what's going on? Everything's been so confusing. Diligent. Recycled. Voluntary. Yep, you're definitely going here. Ugh, I'm tired. I mean, I'm not tired, but I'm just like, okay. Is this the last one? Alright, here we go. And that was the last person for today. Great work, my dude. I might make a part 2 of this, I don't know. Whatever. Mistakes, 0. Savings. I got $50. See you tomorrow. Next day. I was gonna play random games, but I guess I'm playing this now. You did good yesterday. You can do that all again, can't you? Sure. Thought you were gonna leave. I thought you were gonna leave. Oh. It must be something. Oh, so, okay, I get it. Alright. Oh. Hey, you got a toy box back down here. It looks coming my way. Yeah, you can turn it on the store. Stole and donated money to charity. Now that's on here, but he stole. Looks scared. Murdered somebody.
Alright, you're gonna empty? I don't know, I think I'm maybe getting sick too because I've been coughing crazy. Probably want to come from tired. Yeah. I need her stuff cleaned up. Second up, trying not to get water.
Peace. Sorry, bud.
Oh.
Drop something.
Oh.
Oh, I must have put him in the wrong place. Oh, wait. Hold on. It's how much more there is. Okay. That was the last person for today. How does it? Salvation. Probably gonna fail this really badly because I'm really bad at this kind of stuff. Trade not. Oh. Must have got that wrong. My bad. You look mad. No, wait, I regret that. I don't regret that. Okay. Yes, you are, bud. But if you got the trash belongs in the trash, they had an invalid lit. I forgot the name part. Okay. He must have switched names or something. I don't know. Alright. That face though. Okay. Well, bud, I think you're safe. Have fun. Have the best time of your life. Okay, maybe not. I really suck at this. Okay. Wow. Okay. Rude. Anyway, I think I'm gonna do a part 2 of this. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit that smash button, like this video or not, and I'll see you guys later. Have fun.